few days ago, I was going through something online and then I stumbled on this particular site where teachers can actually earn money for teaching, either online or in person. So if you're a teacher watching this right now and you are looking for extra ways to make cash for yourself, this is a video you should watch to the end, because in this video, I'm going to be doing a review on this site that I found. In fact, this is a very good way for you to make money for yourself while you are doing your 9 to 5 as a teacher. So before we get into the video proper, I'd like you to do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I show you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself. Okay, so kindly like, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. All right, I believe you've done that. So quickly, let's go straight into the site. Let me show you what the site looks like. So to get into the site, what you need to do is to come to your search area, your Google search area here, and type Superprof. Okay, once you type Superprof, you're going to be brought to this place where you see superprof.ng. okay, so you click on it. That is if you are a Nigerian, because this site actually has over 29 million private tutors. Okay, meaning that you don't just have just Nigerians here. There are different teachers from all over the world. Okay, but for us, for you as a Nigerian, you can use superprof.ng. all right, so once you use that URL, once you type that into your search area, you're going to be brought to this place, this page where you're seeing what you're seeing now. You can see here, you can see that there are different people on the platform. As you can see, as we're scrolling, there are different people on the platform. Now, when you come on this platform, there is you can teach. There are different subjects, there are different courses, up to 1,000 courses that you can teach. Now, if you want to check that now, if you scroll here, you can see English, French, mathematics, we have computer programming, we have German, we have Yoruba, we have piano. Can you see? You can even teach Yoruba. You can teach piano. You can teach cryptocurrency. You can teach physics. You can teach Spanish. You can teach economics. You can teach singing, chemistry, dance, guitar, swimming, and so many things. Now, just in case you don't want to be scrolling, you can come here and type what you want to look for. Let's say you're a student and you want to learn from here. You're looking for a teacher that can teach you how to play the violin. For example, you can come to this search area and type it here and, type it. Can you see? Violin. And then I click on it. It's going to search out all the violin teachers that are close to me. If I want them online, I'll click online. If I want them near me, I'm going to click search near me. So let me just click on search near me. All right. I'm doing this video from Lagos right now. So I'll click on search near me. And it's going to ask me to turn on my location. So I'll click on allow. Okay, I think there's an issue with that. But in your own case, just try. All right. Just try and use the near me option. Right. Use the near me option. Okay, good. I think it's coming up now. I guess it was my network. So what it is doing right now is that it is searching out all the tutors that can teach violin that are close to my area. Are you seeing it now? Boom. Can you see? Can you see? Look at one teacher. Look at another one. Look at another one. Different tutors. Different tutors that can teach violin. Can you see? Now, let me just wait for this to load. I guess I clicked before it's finished loading. Now, you can see different teachers and different charges. Now, the beautiful thing about this site is that you can charge on hourly basis. All right. Like this person that you're seeing now is charging 2,500 per hour. And he has what? First lesson free. This same person is charging 5,000 per hour. All right. See another one. 2,500 per hour. This other person is charging 5,000 per hour. Are you seeing? So different people, different charges per hour. So if you're a violin teacher, you can actually come here and make money for yourself. So there are different things you could be learning on this site. All right, you could be teaching and making money on this site. As you can see, we have 18 available teachers that can teach you violin. So if you're a violin player and you're looking for how to make extra cash for yourself, you can come here and sign up and start making extra cash for yourself. Now let's go to the menu so we can see other things on this site. So we come to this top right here where you see these three horizontal lines. We click on it and then it's saying we should log in or sign up. So if you're not registered on this site, what you need to do is to click on sign up. If you are registered on this site, what you need to do is to click on log in. Okay, so if you want to sign up or if you want to register here, you can actually click on sign up or you click on give me lesson. Are you seeing now? Give me lessons. So once you click on it right now, let's just click sign up. Let's just click sign up. As you can see now, you can either sign up with your email or you sign up with your Google account or you sign up with your Apple. But I'm not going to be doing that because this is just a review video. I'm not going into that for now, but you can do that when you have the time. I just want to show you what the site is all about. Okay, so this is a site for you to make some money for yourself. Let's search something else. Let's see if there are other things you can learn from here. Let's say you want to learn how to bake. Okay, you want to learn how to bake, or let's say French. Let's say French, or let's say, okay, you can even see cake decoration. Let's click on it and see what it brings for us. Boom, can you see? So these are different people who can teach you about cakes. Are you seeing it now? This person is charging 5,000 per hour. This one is charging 2,000 per hour. This one is charging 1,500 per hour. So you can come here as a teacher and sign up here and start making money for yourself. So let's just navigate back to the original page where we were and see if there are other things we need to look at. Okay, so look at this person. This person is teaching academic tutoring and is a super tutor. Already has 24 reviews with a 5-star. That means people are going for this guy's class. Are you getting now? So this is another person with 13 reviews teaching guitar with 5,000 naira per hour. That's what she charges. Are you seeing this other person? 4.9 is a mathematics teacher. Can you see? So different people teaching different things here, meaning that as a tutor, you can come here and make some money for yourself. Can you see? So I don't want to go too deep into this. If you want me to make more videos about this, probably I'm going to try this out and I'll come back and make more videos for you. So if you got value from this video, kindly tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that when I put up more videos, you are going to be notified. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.